Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Leaving the bronze intensity of the Grand Memorial behind, you step onto the wide paved perimeter of the Capitol reflecting pool. Covering 6 acres, this is one of the largest reflecting pools in the world, designed to act as a massive architectural mirror for the US Capitol. On a calm day, the surface of the water is a perfect pane of glass, capturing every detail of the white marble dome and the shifting blue of the DC sky. It's a place designed for monumental stillness, yet as you walk along its length today, the atmosphere is anything but quiet. The plaza is currently alive with the unmistakable energy of dozens of school groups. For students across the country, this spot is a rite of passage. You see the uniforms of the DC field trip, matching neon-colored t-shirts, drawstrings, backpacks, and the occasional lanyards swinging as they move. There is a choreographed chaos happening all around the water's edge. Teachers and chaperones are busy corralling rows of teenagers, trying to get them to stand still for that one perfect shot that will end up in 1,000 yearbooks. The sound of laughter, the frantic checking of hair in the phone screens, and the 1-2-3 Capitol cheers from the photographers creating a soundtrack of pure Americana. As you walk, you notice how the pool serves as a bridge between the formal world of the Capitol and the public world of the mall. The ducks that call this pool home seem entirely unbothered by the hundreds of students. They glide through the reflections of the Great Dome, occasionally rippling the perfect image as they dive for a snack. It's a reminder that even in the heart of a global power center, life, both wild and human, goes on in its most basic and joyful forms. Looking across the water, the scale of the landscape is incredible. The pool was designed to be deep enough to provide a clear reflection, but shallow enough to feel approachable. It creates a massive buffer zone of light and air, ensuring that the Capitol is never crowded by the city around it. As you move towards the western end of the pool, the perspective shifts. The further you get from the building, the more the reflection grows, until the water seems to hold the entire weight of the Capitol within its depths. Watching the students finally get their photo, the dome soaring behind them, their faces bright with excitement of being in the Capitol, you realize that this is exactly what the designers intended. This space wasn't just built for the architecture, it was built for the people. The reflecting pool turns the Capitol into something accessible, something you can stand beside, take a photo with, and carry home. As you complete your walk along the water, the ripples from a departing duck blur the marble reflection for a moment. A perfect metaphor for a city that is always moving, always changing, yet always anchored by the monumental icons that stand at its edge.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.